One very noticeable trend and exciting trend in the Neota community is the elevation or transformation of the general counsel role into the C-suite. We've seen more and more frequently over the past couple of years the transformation from this more narrowly defined legal advisory function and role into a far more ambitious, far broader reaching, far more strategic, say, chief legal officer role. And in the C-suite, we're seeing the CLO taking responsibility now, not just for legal and risk and compliance, but also for ESG initiatives, and also in many cases for generative AI, both in the policy and in the implementation domain. The Neota team likes to think of it as general counsel or CLOs becoming architects of enterprise-wide strategy and impact. They're very good at breaking down silos, so not just legal and risk and compliance and ESG becoming the sum of its parts, but actually adding more value and, importantly, aligning far more closely to business objectives. Now, perhaps it's somewhat self-selecting that members of the Neota community are driving ambitious digital transformation, digital change agendas, but in parallel to this evolution of general counsel to CLO, we're also seeing developing views on how technology will impact, make change within the organization, and of course, specifically within the CLO portfolio. Practical examples of this are an evolution in thinking away from perhaps more limited custom solution delivery initiatives, say for self-service contract management tools, and into far broader reaching, say, data orchestration type approaches to ESG metrics, business intelligence solution, dashboards, essentially using data in far more creative and innovative ways to tell great stories about the CLO portfolio and help support business decisions, again, in a data-driven sense. The Neota team would never profess to take any credit for this elevation of GC to CLO. It really just is the type of project, the type of initiative, the type of ambition around which our customers are succeeding, and they're the type of projects and initiatives that excite us very much. So expect to see more of this in the coming year. I think we'll look back on this coming year as a key inflection point in the evolution of the role of general counsel.